over 500 stocks in the US. US में 500 स्टॉक से ज़्यादा पे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. A contract gives the holder the right to buy or sell shares at a specified price. ठीक है. Buyer of an option. The buyer of an option is the one who, by paying the option premium, buys the right but not the obligation to exercise his option to the seller or writer. Who is a buyer? Buyer is a person जो कि ऑप्शन प्रीमियम पे करता है सेलर को. बायर pays premium to seller and has the right to exercise his option but not the obligation. Writer of a call or put option is the one who receives the premium. Writer या seller कौन है जिसको प्रीमियम मिलता है और who has the obligation to exercise or sell or buy the asset if the buyer exercises on him. अगर buyer exercise करना चाह रहा है तो seller या writer की obligation है contract को exercise करना. ठीक है. There are two types of options as I told you. There is a call option. In a call option, the buyer has the right to buy the asset but not the obligation, and by paying an option premium, and the seller has an obligation to exercise the option if a buyer wants to. What is a put option? A put option gives the holder the right but not the obligation to sell an asset. Put option अपन selling का right है अपने buyer के पास. By a certain date for a certain price. एक certain date पे एक certain price. Option premium. Option premium is the amount जो कि buyer seller को देता है to get exercising rights. उसको exercising rights मिलते हैं. It is also referred to as option price. Expiration date. The date specified in the options contract is known as expiration. जो option contract में जो date specified है that is expiration date. उसको अपन exercise date भी बोल सकते हैं, the strike date भी बोल सकते हैं और maturity भी बोल सकते हैं. क्या क्या नाम दिए जा सकते हैं expiration date को? It can be strike date, it can be maturity or it can be exercise date. Strike price. The price specified in the options contract. Price specified in the option contract means if I buy call option on Nifty at the rate of 5400. So 5400 is my strike price. Then there जैसे कॉल और पुट ऑप्शन होते हैं वैसे दो तरीके के और ऑप्शन होते हैं, जैसे अमेरिकन ऑप्शन एंड यूरोपियन ऑप्शन. अमेरिकन ऑप्शंस आर द ऑप्शंस दैट कैन बी एक्सरसाइज्ड एट एनी टाइम अपॉन द एक्सपायरी अप टू द एक्सपायरी डेट. एक्सपायरी डेट से पहले या एक्सपायरी डेट के दिन कभी भी एक्सरसाइज कराए जा सकते हैं क्योंकि बायर को राइट है उनको एक्सरसाइज कराने का. ठीक है. मोस्ट एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड ऑप्शंस जो होते हैं वो अमेरिकन ऑप्शन होते हैं. एंड यूरोपियन ऑप्शंस आर द ऑप्शंस दैट कैन बी एक्सरसाइज्ड ओनली ऑन द एक्सपायरी डेट के दिन ही बायर उनको एक्सरसाइज करा सकता है. दे आर इजियर टू एनालाइज देन अमेरिकन ऑप्शंस. Then an option can be in the money, at the money and out of money. What is an in the money option? An in the money option is that option that gives a positive cash flow. ठीक है. जो option आपको positive cash flow yield कर रहा है that is an in the money option. So अगर call option की बात करें तो when spot price is greater than strike price then call option is in the money. Conversely talking about put options, when strike price is greater than spot price, then a put option is in the money. At the money option. At the money is an option that would lead to zero cash flow. Matlab we are standing at a break even point. We are not suffering any losses and we are not gaining any profits. Okay, an option on the index is at the money when spot price is equal to the strike price. And then there are out of money options. Out of money options वो options हैं जिसमें you are option is yielding you a negative cash flow. जो option आपको negative cash flows yield कर रहे हैं, that is an out of money option. So in the case of call option, that would be when the strike price is greater than the spot price, then your option is out of money. And in case of a put option, when your spot price is greater than your strike price, that is a out of money put option. Intrinsic value of an option. Intrinsic value of an option कैसे निकाली जाएगी? The option premium. Premium is made up of two things. Intrinsic value plus time value of an option. What is an intrinsic value? Intrinsic value is the amount by which option is in the money. The amount by which an option is in the money is the intrinsic value of an option. And in case the option is at the money or out of money, the intrinsic value will be taken as 0. Intrinsic value तब क्या हो जाएगी? 0 हो जाएगी. And time value of an option means premium minus intrinsic value is the time value of an option. Both call and put options have time value. Option that is at the money or out of money has only time value. जिस केस में options in the money है उनकी time value generally नहीं होती. Usually the maximum time value कब होती है? जब when an option is at the money. Maximum time value of an option is available when the option is at the money. Index derivatives. Index derivatives मतलब index derivatives are derivative contracts which derive their value from an underlying index. Instead of an underlying asset, the underlying asset here would be the index. The two most popular index derivatives are index futures and index options. Index derivatives have become very popular worldwide. Index derivative के बहुत सारे advantages होते हैं, इसलिए they have become very popular. Institutional and large equity holders need portfolio hedging facility. जो institutional investors और जो large portfolio holders होते हैं उनको hedging facility चाहिए. And index derivatives are more suited to them and more cost effective than derivative based on individual stocks. Individual stocks से ज़्यादा returns मिलते हैं उसमें, ठीक है? Index derivatives offer ease for use of hedging any portfolio irrespective of the composition. Stock index is difficult to manipulate as compared to individual stock prices. Stock index, because it is an average, it is less volatile than individual stocks. So आपको price fluctuations कम face करने होते हैं इसमें, and they are cash settled and do not suffer any settlement delays and problems related to bad delivery. Which of the following cannot be underlying asset for a financial asset? Financial derivative contract. Equity index, commodities, interest rate or foreign exchange. The answer is commodities. Then, which of the following exchange was the first to start trading financial futures? It was Chicago Mercantile Exchange. In an option contract, the option lies with the buyer. The potential returns on future options are unlimited. Potential return on future position unlimited होते हैं. Two persons agree to exchange 100 grams of gold 3 months later at rupees 400 per gram. This is an example of forward contract. Spot Nifty is at 2140, and investor buys 1 month Nifty call of 2157 for a premium of 7 rupees. The option is out of money because that is yielding a negative cash flow. The call option at a strike of rupees 176 is selling at a premium of rupees 80. Call option at a strike price of rupees 176 is selling at a premium of rupees 80. At what price will it break even for the buyer of an option? So that would be 176 plus 18, that is 194.